In this lecture, we will discuss the ethical issues in social research. There are three dimensions of research. The first is the theoretical or philosophical dimension. Second is the empirical dimension. The theoretical or philosophical dimension is called methodology. Empirical dimension, the techniques of research or methods of research. The ethical dimension, the concept of right and wrong. Here we will discuss the third dimension of research, that is ethical issues in research. Renowned scientists have sometimes behaved unethically. Thus, Huang Wu-sul, who is considered was considered a pioneer in stem cell research and a scientific icon of South Korea, had to quit Seoul National University after it was found that his landmark 2005 paper on stem cells was a fake.